Today we have a 2005 Okuma ES-L6 CNC turning center equipped with an OSP U10L control with one-touch IGF. Machine has a 5C collet chuck, also is equipped with a 6-inch 3-draw hydraulic chuck, parts catcher, tailstock, chip conveyor. We have 4 boring bar holders that are in boxes, not currently mounted to the machine. We're going to run the machine. First we'll do the spindle. That's 1500 RPM. That's 3000 RPM. It's nice and quiet. Index the turret. Z-axis. X-axis. And that's it. Nice quick video. Thanks for watching.